Today we will learn how to enable and disable Bluetooth in Windows 11. The good news is that Bluetooth in Windows 11 is even easier to use. Follow these simple steps to manage it. Go to the Start menu and search for the gear icon for settings. Once the settings window opens, look for the Bluetooth device option and select it. In this section of the menu, you will find a list of the Bluetooth device already paired. To enable or disable Bluetooth, simply select the Bluetooth tab and choose the corresponding option. If you want to add another device, click on the Add Device option and select the device you want to pair. And that's it. Now you can easily manage your Bluetooth in Windows 11. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more content. Thank you very much for watching.